Perfect.
What are you doing?
This is my Hollywood break.
The what?
This is my Hollywood break. I'm going to Hollywood after.
Robot.
Hi, are you looking for a Cadillac?
Why is everyone watching?
I'm into cars, super into cars. I can't say that, you're a Mustang. I was like, wait, okay.
Is it video?
Hey, welcome to Finance Friday like 50 times.
Okay. Welcome to Finance Friday 50 times.
Dang it, I forgot.
No, but you have to look at me like 2, 3.
No, we're not doing it.
No, give us a dance.
I don't dance.
No, like a little wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.